Hello, welcome to the second semester of the 2025-26 school year. And based on our theme this year, Built to Rise, our students have had wonderful opportunities and experiences to rise this school year. I want to say congratulations to all of our students. We had over 525 students who received an honor roll recognition, and 196 of those students received superintendent's honor roll. Also, I want to say what's new this semester. Student badges for all secondary high school students. Our students are doing a fantastic job wearing their badges every day, and we just want to continue to reinforce the students the badges have to be visible when wearing them all day long. Also, I just want to end by saying that if you ever have any questions or concerns, please feel free to call the main office and set up an appointment, and I will get back with you as soon as possible. As always, Braves are who we are and Rise is what we do. Have a great day.
Good evening, Indian River High School family. To access our virtual open house, at the conclusion of this video, please click the link in the description to visit our school notebook, where you will find tabs for each subject. Following your student's schedule, first click on a subject tab and then click their teacher's name to view their welcome video and information about the course.